Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 new Royal Enfield motorcycles you should ride in 2023. Number 7. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. Royal Enfield has recently introduced their latest addition to the lineup, the Super Meteor 650. This parallel twin cruiser is built on the renowned 650 twin platform, which has already seen success with the Continental GT and INT 650 models. It features a robust air/oil-cooled 648cc parallel twin engine that incorporates large cooling fins, a single overhead camshaft with 4 valves per cylinder, and a single-piece forged, counterbalanced crankshaft featuring a 270-degree firing interval. The Super Meteor 650 showcases a brand-new chassis that was developed in collaboration with Harris Performance. Designed to offer stability and confidence to riders of all levels, the chassis boasts a low center of gravity. This middleweight cruiser combines a contemporary SOHC engine design with traditional styling, appealing to a wide range of riders. For enthusiasts in the United States, the Super Meteor 650 is expected to hit the market in the summer of 2023, providing an exciting new option for cruiser enthusiasts. Number 6. Royal Enfield Continental 650 GT. The Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 is a modern classic motorcycle that embraces the cafe racer culture of England. Produced by Royal Enfield India, this neo-retro cafe racer offers a captivating option for motorcycle enthusiasts. Its design, affordability, and genuine cafe racer appeal make it an enticing choice. In terms of its construction, the Continental GT 650 boasts a tubular steel frame and 36-spoke aluminum alloy rims with special tires. With a curb weight of 202 kilograms, the bike strikes a balance between stability and agility on the road. It is equipped with Bosch dual-channel ABS, enhancing safety and ensuring reliable braking performance. Powering the Continental GT 650 is a 648cc parallel twin 4-stroke, single overhead cam, air/oil-cooled engine that generates 47 pounds of power. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, providing an entirely new riding experience for the rider. Durability, balance, and handling have been thoroughly tested on real road conditions, ensuring that the Continental GT 650 delivers a dynamic and responsive performance on every ride. Number 5. Royal Enfield Scram 411. The Royal Enfield Scram 411 is an exciting motorcycle that takes inspiration from the Himalayan, but incorporates some important changes to offer a more accessible and affordable riding experience. With its 21-inch front wheel and various enhancements, the Scram 411 appeals to a wide range of riders. In terms of design, the Scram 411 retains the retro vibe, but adds a stylish twist to its appearance. It offers a variety of color options, allowing riders to choose the one that suits their style. When it comes to performance, the Scram 411 relies on a 411cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine that delivers 24 horsepower and 25 Nm of torque. It is equipped with a 5-speed gearbox and has a fuel tank capacity of 15 liters, ensuring sufficient power and range for both on-road and off-road adventures. The Scram 411's design elements, such as the round headlight, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and flat seat, contribute to its retro-inspired aesthetic. Despite its attractive features, the Scram 411 comes at a relatively affordable price point of $5,000, making it more accessible to a broader audience. Number 4. Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a motorcycle that perfectly balances the traditions and craftsmanship of the past with modern features. It draws inspiration from the post-war G2 model, paying homage to Royal Enfield's impressive 120-year heritage. The Classic 350 is equipped with a robust 349cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering a respectable 20 horsepower and 19.9 pound-feet of torque. It features a wet, multi-plate clutch and a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox, providing smooth and precise gear shifts. The inclusion of electronic fuel injection ensures efficient power delivery, while the presence of disc brakes and dual-channel ABS ensures reliable stopping power and enhanced safety. Despite being an introductory-level motorcycle, the Classic 350 does not compromise on quality or features. With a starting price of $4,600, it offers excellent value for money, surpassing competitors in its price range. Its impeccable craftsmanship, powerful engine, modern features, and unbeatable price make it a compelling choice for riders seeking a classic-looking motorcycle without sacrificing performance and quality. Number 3. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a retro-styled motorcycle that was designed to compete with the Triumph Bonneville range of motorcycles. One of the standout features of the Interceptor 650 is its high-quality build and finish. The components are well built and have a solid feel to them. The paint and chrome finishing are of high quality, giving the bike a premium look. Attention to detail is evident, with no unsightly wires or corners cut in terms of nuts, bolts, screws, and fastenings. In terms of specifications, the Interceptor 650 is powered by a 648cc air and oil-cooled SOHC 8-valve, 270 degrees parallel twin engine. It generates a power of 47 horsepower and a torque of 52 Newton-meter. The bike has a top speed of 165 km/h and comes with a 6-speed transmission. The Interceptor 650 has garnered positive reviews for its overall package. It offers a lively engine without being intimidating, fun handling without being patronizing, and a good finish without being too expensive. Overall, the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a well-built retro-styled motorcycle with a powerful engine and attractive design. Number 2. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a new model that has been specifically designed to appeal to a younger audience, aiming to attract new riders to the brand. This motorcycle offers a combination of attractive design, reasonable pricing, and appealing features that make it a great option for potential riders. At the heart of the Hunter 350 is a 349cc single-cylinder air oil-cooled engine. This engine delivers a power output of 20 horsepower and a torque of 19 pound-feet. It is equipped with a 5-speed gearbox, allowing riders to smoothly transition through gears during their rides. One of the notable characteristics of the Hunter 350 is its maneuverability. It features a shorter wheelbase, lighter weight, and tighter geometry, which collectively enhance its nimbleness on the road. The front suspension consists of 41mm telescopic forks with 130mm travel, while at the rear there are twin shock absorbers with 6-step adjustable preload and 102mm travel, ensuring that the motorcycle handles various road conditions with ease. Number 1. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a game-changer in the world of cruiser motorcycles. With its relaxed ergonomics and predictable power and handling, the Meteor 350 offers a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. One of the notable features of the Meteor 350 is its low and wide seat, specifically designed for long rides. This ensures that riders can embark on extended journeys without discomfort. Additionally, the motorcycle's classic teardrop 15-liter tank provides enough fuel capacity for those who prefer to go on long hauls. Despite its affordable pricing, the Meteor 350 doesn't compromise on quality or features. Royal Enfield has managed to deliver a motorcycle that appeals to both loyalists and new buyers who seek reliability and refinement. Its pricing starts at $4,800, making it an attractive option for riders on a budget. Overall, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a fantastic motorcycle that strikes the perfect balance between classic style, modern features, and comfortable riding. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it informative, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.